Hey, it's Keith here, KJ's Garage, and kind of hunting down an oil leak on this 2004 Mazda MPV. When it runs for a little while, a whole bunch of smoke. It looks like you're just dumping oil on here. A whole bunch of smoke comes over from here. The problem is there's a catalytic converter, pre-catalytic converter, whatever the heck it's called, that runs like this underneath the engine. The oil comes down, it's actually inside the catalytic converter. So I'm trying to track down where the leak is. I know there's a leak over here. There's an oil cooler on this thing, but it's all like, I sprayed some of it with brake clean. I got some dirt off of this thing. That's what I'm going to do now. I'm going to spray it even more. 'Cause I'm trying to find out where the leak's coming from. I thought it was the valve covers. I don't think it is now, after looking at it. But I bought this stuff, UV dye, put this in the, and I got to put this whole bottle in the oil, and it's going to dye it, and I have the glasses and all that you need, but that's going to come later. Pour this in there, drive it around for a while, see if I can find out where it's leaking. I should see the dye, and that should help me find out where the leak is. So I'm going to put this in. Also, the other thing I've been doing, I've been heating up the catalytic converter to burn all the oil off of it. I sprayed it to get some off, but there's still, I'll show you, there's some inside the catalytic converter, like in the seams. So I'm just trying to find the oil leak, stop the oil leak, and prevent it from smoking, because it looks like it's been leaking for a long time, and there's a whole bunch of oil built up in that catalytic converter. But I'm going to, I got some stuff, foam gunk and stuff like that. I'm going to spray down the front of this engine here, and then hose it off, get it all clean, hose it off. I'm going to probably, I don't think I'm going to use a hose. I'm probably just going to use, I have a pump sprayer. I'm just going to pump spray it. And then underneath, I'm going to put a pan underneath there to catch all the debris and all that stuff, the water and dirty water. So let me get some foaming stuff, spray it all over here, get that on there, and then we'll get moving on to the next part. Once I get up in the air is where a lot of the oil stains are and a lot of oil drips. So I'm going to douse it over there too, but I just want to get the front, starting from the top down. So I'm going to spray this here, get this all clean as I can, and then lift it up and then start up high as I can again. And just, that's what you need to do. Because you could be chasing a oil leak, it could be all the way at the top, and you're looking at oil pan gasket. Maybe it's not even that. Maybe it's dripping all the way down and then hitting the oil pan. So anyway, hopefully I can get this thing figured out. All right, stick with me. All right, so I doused this whole thing with foaming engine bright, and then cleaned it off with the pump sprayer, just water. It's still a mess up in here. If you look way up, there's a lot of caked on stuff up there. Where is it? Yeah. Got a lot of the block clean. I want to get that caked on stuff off up there to see if, because there's definitely a leak up there. This hose right here is leaking. I bought a new hose set. You can't just buy that hose. So it's all metal lines and everything for the oil cooler. So you see the oil filters here, the oil coolers there. There's metal lines to rubber hoses. Rubber hoses are 20 plus years old. And that one's leaking definitely, so I'm gonna replace that. Front cover, it looks okay. I don't know what this looks like. Let's see what the top of this looks like. It's all burnt. So it's got oil, dripping oil on it for who knows how long. Blasted all this stuff. There's supposed to be a plastic piece right here. I took that off, so obviously so I can see all this. And here, there was, I think maybe it's leaking over here. I don't know. I sprayed pretty good there. I'm gonna go get some more carburetor cleaner or brake clean and hit it again. See if I can clean it off more. Hopefully it's not leaking at that block split there. because I'm not going to fix that. I'll tell you right now. But it's really dirty over here, so maybe that's where it's leaking. I don't know. I don't think it's leaking at the main rear seal. Doesn't look too bad. Man, that thing's rusted on. I don't have to take that off. That's good. But I'm just going to get another can of brake clean and spray some more. Get it a little more clean if I can. See if I can blast that. But you can see catalytic converter right here drips down. I guess they put this little pan there, little shield, probably, I don't know what, stop the heat shield maybe for the belt right over the cat, or to catch some oil, because there was a lot of oil on there and debris. So if it does leak, it gets, I don't know. But the catalytic converter inside these little here, it's full of oil. I had the torch on there, and it was just like fire was shooting out. So I want to get this as clean as possible. I'm going to dump that leak seal in here. Dump the leak seal in here and see what we got. Get another can of brake clean, spray some more, let this thing sit for a while. I got to air out the garage. It's getting a little fumey in here. Anyway, I'll be back in a minute. All right, I know it's dark, but here's the UV dye. I thought it would be green. It's not. It's orange. I got some on my hands. You see it on my hands? So it's going to show up orange. It was like a black. It was like a brown fluid that came out. So this is what you want to look for when you're looking at the inside the engine for the oil leak. It's going to be this orange, fluorescent orange glow. Okay. We'll see what happens. Okay, look at this. You can see it. All of it fluorescent color is the leak. I don't know if you can see. Follow the bolt right there, go up around, and I don't know if you can see further back. Goes up the case. It's leaking right at this bolt right here. And then it looks like, oh, here we go. Sorry, gimbal. See right there? That's the case is leaking, where it splits in half. Let's see if I can. Anyway, and there's another leak. I don't think this looks like the oil filter's leaking, but I don't think that's leaking. Looking around here, there's some right here. I don't know where that came from. The seal's not leaking, the main seal, because there's nothing here. I can't see it. Oh, there we go. All right. So you have the AC right above me. Right in that little, you see, right there, it's leaking too. And there's a bolt up there, it's leaking. I put this plastic back on, now it's in the way. I might actually have to take this plastic off again. Shoot. Okay, well, let me yeah, it's a bunch of 10s. I'm gonna take that plastic thing off again and get in there and then clean it up, spray this a couple times, and we'll see if it stops the leak. Thanks a lot for watching, and you'll see me in the next video. Bye.